Ty says, I'd like to know if I can listen to the Ninja audio while working without having to read the book or the notes. Yeah, that's what the Ninja audio is for. And I mean, people ask for a transcript of it sometimes. I don't send it to them because that's not what it's for. It's so that you can study when you otherwise could not. So if you can sit and read and listen, I want you to be hammering MCQ. I want you to be reading the Ninja notes. I want you to be watching the Ninja cram. I want you to be watching Ninja sparring. Not reading the transcript of the Ninja audio. But while you're working, staring at a spreadsheet, make sure it's a good spreadsheet, lots of colors, and acting like you're working, and you can study. When you're driving, you can study. At the gym, you can study if you're listening to the Ninja audio. And then the follow-up question of that is, for intense note-taking while reading the book or listening to the audio, instead of taking my own notes, can I just rewrite the Ninja notes? Yes. Highly recommend doing that. Some people just don't like taking notes, so rewrite the Ninja notes, absolutely. Francis writes in, are there simulations or task-based simulations for the auditing section of Ninja? Yes, there's 1,300, 1,400 auditing MCQ, give or take, 60 plus simulations. I think there's more now, but yeah, there's more MCQ and more simulations in Ninja MCQ than you can possibly do.